organelles with its functions, right? In this module, we are going to see about the nuclear organization with its structure, function, etc. Now, let us move into the module 3. Okay, consider a team without a team leader. How it will be? Yes, it is incomplete, right? The similar analogy is used here. Nucleus is the leader for all cell organelles. How the team leader guides and monitors the team members. Similarly, in cell, nucleus monitors, guides and gives information to all the cell organelles to function. About 10% volume of the cell is covered by the nucleus. And now tell me, why the nucleus is considered as the major organelle? Do you have any idea? It is because of the reason of the genetic material it contains. Either it may be DNA or RNA. Coming to structure of nucleus. Nucleus have different organelles. Within the nucleus, there is a dark region called nucleolus in which RNA and proteins are tightly packed. Cells have cytoplasm, right? Similarly, the nucleus also have cytoplasm which is known as nucleoplasm. Mainly, it is surrounded by a membrane called nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope in which nuclear pores are present. It allows RNA and ribosome to move out of the nucleus. Always keep in mind, DNA never leaves out of the nucleus. Now, coming to types of cells based on the number of nucleus. They are classified into 4 types. One is eunucleated, then uninucleated, binucleated and multinucleated cells. From the name itself, you have some idea, right? Uninucleated cells have only one nucleus. Multinucleated cells have more than 2 or 3 nucleus. Liver cells are always multinucleated cells. Then binucleated. This has 2 nucleus. Examples, some cancer cells are binucleated. And finally, eunucleated cells. They don't have any nucleus. For example, on maturation, RBCs does not have nucleus. This space provides oxygen is carried by hemoglobin. Nuclear membrane. It has 2 membranes. One is inner membrane and another one is outer membrane. Both are made up of phospholipid bilayer. The space between these membranes are called perinuclear space. It protects the organelles inside the nucleus. Coming to nucleoplasm. It is also known as nucleus sap or karyoplasm, where all organelles are present. It plays a major role in transportation of ions and molecules inside the nucleus. It is a gelatinous substance that provides strength to the nucleoli and chromosomes. It is only present in the eukaryotes, and also it consists of nucleolus, chromatin fibers, etc. Before entering into the chromatin and chromosomes, we should know the length of DNA. Do you know any idea? It is about 3 meters in human cells. In order to pack the DNA inside the nucleus, chromatins and chromosomes are developed. Chromatins are thin thread-like structures which are condensed to form chromosomes during the cell divisions. Chromatins are the lower order of DNA organization, where chromosomes are higher order of DNA organization. Chromatins exist in 2 different forms. One is euchromatin and another one is heterochromatin. Euchromatins have loosely packed DNA. The density of DNA is very low, but it is very active. Whereas heterochromatins have tightly packed DNA and it has high density of DNA and also it is inactive. Now we are going to see about the chromosomes. Chromosomes are the genetic material that contains DNA and associated proteins called histones. We have 23 pairs of chromosomes which are visible only during the cell divisions. The major principal function of this chromosome is to transfer the genetic information from parents to offspring. In this picture, you can see the chromosome with various parts like centromere and telomere. Based on the position of centromere, they are classified as telocentric, acrocentric, metacentric and submetacentric. We are going to see about the nucleic acids. There are 2 types of nucleic acids. One is deoxyribonucleic acid and another one is ribonucleic acid, which are commonly called as DNA and RNA. DNA is a double stranded molecule with phosphoric acid, sugars and nitrogenous bases like adenine, guanine, thymine and cytosine, where RNA are single-stranded molecule with phosphoric acid, sugars and nitrogenous bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Nucleolus. Nucleolus is nothing but a dark region present in the nucleus. It has densely packed RNA and protein molecules. It is responsible for the synthesis of ribosomes, which carries the synthesized proteins. It plays a major role in ribosomes assembly and transportation of molecules. Till now, we have discussed about the organelles. Now we are going to see about the functions of nucleus. It plays a vital role in transferring the genetic information from parents to offspring. It primarily controls the different processes like cell division, growth and differentiation process. Finally, we come to the conclusion of this module. Hope you have understand about the nucleus and its function and also its organelles. In the next module, we are going to see about the cell cycle. Thank you.